I'm opening a PDF. Imagine we have a PDF, we're reading it, we're doing some research. There's some content, and then there's a bar chart. This is pretty usual. So, and we wonder, how is this bar chart generated? What is the input data? And then there is a link that you see here. There, link to my interactive web application. Okay. So we are the researcher now, and we're just clicking on the link. Here, clicking on the link, and then we are on an inseri page. And we see something, we don't understand it yet. There's like some files that we see. And then we scroll down and we see the web application that we just saw in the PDF before. And we can make it a little bit bigger and smaller, explore it a little bit. And then we see the input data of this bar chart. So this data here, this text on the left was used to generate the bar chart. And we even see the Python code that was used to generate this bar. Maybe I go slightly back. Here you see the output label 3, value 2, label 4, value. So this is the output. This is the Python code generated the data for the bar chart. So this text went in here, and the output of this app went in here. And now we see we can even type something in the Python code. Hello, for example. So we really typed something, and now we out-commented it. So this get word frequencies. This has been made, this example, by Reto Baumgartner, by example. So thank you very much for this Python code. And now we save and submit. We save the Python code and update dependent apps. And now here we see the output of the Python code is all of a sudden hello. And everything updates and the bar chart is gone. Of course, it's not a surprise because the output of the Python code doesn't match the bar chart anymore. So we have basically changed the web application. And of course, this is not what we wanted. So we do it back and still save the Python code, update the dependent apps again. And now the bar chart is back. And yeah, and now, okay, we see the text, the input text here that was generated. And now we just clicked here on this lighthouse, which opened this general menu where you can open apps and do other things as well. And this is the admin section of the apps. And now this is the edit and manage data section where you find all kinds of apps. This is the My Files app, for example. If you click here, you get another one of the My Files app, but you click on data management here right now. And you open the data management and you see lots of RESTful queries that I explain later on in detail. And you click on text and you see the input text that was used to generate the bar chart. And now you can just input your own text. You are a researcher now, and this data analytics is really interesting for you, and you don't know anything about Python maybe, but yeah, you just would like to include your own data to do the same thing that the person did who created this web application. So you save your own code, you close it, and now you see it needs to update. The bar chart looks different. All of a sudden, it takes your input data and does the exact same Python code, and you can analyze online your own data. And this is as a first example. You can also do the same. Thanks to Cyril for this app, as this interactive features, also to Hugh Marshall and to Roberta and Hans. And yeah, so this is the first idea. You just had the research paper here and you saw this and you wanted to try it out with own data, and you just clicked on the link and could change the Python code, and you could change your own data. So okay, just as a fun thing, I thought my computer wasn't plugged in and it's really late already, but it's just, don't worry, it's just in video. I just I kept checking my plug my energy cable here, but it's actually, we have plenty of time.